All right. Yeah. It's me and my buddy Lincoln. Say, hey, Lincoln, all right. He helped me with this project. But all right, this right here is the heater blower motor, okay, or AC blower motor on the inside of the car, okay. I was going down the road one day and then, my AC quit, or my heater, I can't remember. Well, this car has some electrical problems. That's from an aftermarket stereo that was put in when I got the car. This is my daily driver, but it's black and it gets mighty hot without an AC. Okay. So looking online, I discovered that it would probably either gonna be this piece here or the transistor. Okay, the resistor, I'm sorry. The resistor is, let's see. Let me get my light. I see it, buddy. I'm gonna just kind of shine up in there so y'all can see. Is right, if you can see it, right there. It's got one screw and a plug-in. I did change that first. It was like 18 bucks. Okay, it was not bad. I was worried it was an electrical problem, so that's when I decided, I was gonna change this part out here. It's not the whole, this is the canister light thing, okay? Well, to change it out, how much was it? It wasn't that much, but I'd have to look and see. But anyway, the process of changing it out is, there's a few bolts. There's the plug in there. Okay, you have a bolt. Let's see where they're at. You have a bolt right here. If you can see it, right there. There's only 3, I believe. Right there. And then you're gonna have a bolt right there. If you can see, right there. And then there's gonna be one that's kinda up under here. Not under here, but kinda, that right there is kinda blocking. It's all 8mm. It's all kinda blocking. It kinda blocks you getting to it, which is kinda aggravating. Which you see, you could take this off here and make it a lot easier, but I decided not to. But let's see where it's at, so you know. All right, let me find it. Okay, it is right there. If you can see that, right there. Okay. You undo those 3 bolts. Okay. After that, this whole piece right here will slide down. And then you can unhook this piece here. It's not too hard to unhook. Right after you do that, where's my old one at? My old one should be in here somewhere. I did not throw it away. I'm not sure where it's at. Yeah. Blood box. Let's see. But anyway, it's just got a little, kind of like a fan in the top. All right, what I did was I took that piece, I hooked it up, and as you can see, in most Fords, this right here is there. That's in the middle, but I think this car is mainly made like overseas. It's like kind of a European car, and their steering wheels over here. But I went ahead and hooked it up, flipped this over to 1, and it started spinning. So that let me know that was probably the problem. I turned it off, and then I mounted it in. I mean, it's literally a 15-minute job. Okay. First of all, I'd recommend checking your fuses and stuff like that. But after you put it in, bracket it, mount it in, use your bolts, put it in, get it, make sure it's tight and good. And then crank your car and turn that way on. You gotta crank your car, but just turn it on and see if that's the problem. That was my problem. Where's my keys? All right, I would turn it on. I don't have them with me, it don't look like. But anyway, this car has had some electrical problems, so I wasn't sure. Now the glove box, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together while we're recording. Okay, so there is 3 bolts that go to the glove box. I think I took them off while I was, the glove box was closed, if I'm not mistaken. So, as you can see, it's about those there, there, and there. And once you get that, get the box to close, as you can see, it's kind of awesome. It's kind of hangs right there. You just squeeze both ends to close it, and to get to that piece, you're gonna open it, you're gonna squeeze those 2 ends, and the box will flop down like that. Okay, but like I said, you want to take those. These are the 3 bolts you take off. 1, 2, 3. You take those 3 off, and then you're going to take 3 more off. And I believe these are 8mm too. So everything's 8mm. I mean, it's really a do-it-yourself job. I mean, it's not that much to it. The only thing is, if that's not it, then you know you wasted your time. But that was my problem, and I have some electrical problems with this car, so I was worried that had something to do with this, but it did not. But anyway, that's about it. There's some fuses over there, but I think the fuse of this is either under the driver's side dash or under the hood. But I would check those first just to make sure. But alright, that's how you do that.